Have you ever opened a kitchen cabinet and had a stack of pots and pans come crashing down, or wasted time digging through crowded drawers just to find the right cooking tool? If your kitchen feels cluttered and disorganized, you're not alone. The problem is that cookware takes up a lot of valuable space. When pots, pans, ladles, spatulas, and other utensils are scattered throughout cabinets and countertops, cooking becomes more frustrating than it needs to be. A crowded kitchen can slow you down and make even simple meal prep feel like a chore. That's where this 30-inch ceiling or wall-mounted pot rack comes in. Designed with a rustic brown solid wood shelf featuring a whitewashed finish and paired with an industrial matte black powder-coated metal pipe, it combines storage and style in one practical solution. The overhead design can be mounted on either a ceiling or a flat wall, helping you free up cabinet space while keeping your most used cookware within easy reach. It comes with 8 adjustable and removable black metal S-hooks, perfect for hanging pots, pans, wooden spoons, spatulas, ladles, tongs, strainers, and other cooking essentials exactly where you need them. The solid wood floating shelf also gives you extra display and storage space for kitchen accessories, decor, or frequently used items. With overall dimensions of approximately 29.9 inches long, plus a 27.5-inch pipe and 15.7-inch chains, it provides convenient storage without overwhelming your space. Assembly is required, and standard mounting hardware is included. Imagine preparing dinner with everything organized, visible, and easy to grab. Whether you're cooking at home or managing a busy restaurant kitchen, if you're looking for a practical way to maximize space while adding a modern rustic touch to your kitchen, this pot rack is definitely worth a closer look. Check the link in the description to see the full details before it catches everyone else's attention.